Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video I will show you how to make the original, the authentic and the classic abacha. If you're interested, please relax, balance well and please keep watching. Abacha can also be called African salad and it is made from cassava. On today's video I will make use of these 3 medium wraps of abacha. So the first thing to do is to soften your abacha using warm water. So here I poured in some hot water from the kettle, then I diluted it with room temperature water from the tap. Then I also like adding about a teaspoon of salt just to help me clean the abacha very well. Then just wash the abacha and just make sure that they are all immersed in the water. Then do not leave it to sit inside the water. Just take it out immediately and transfer into a colander or a sieve and let it drain water there. Do not leave the abacha to sit in the water. This is one mistake that I've seen a lot of people make, and at the end the abacha comes out looking soggy and not appetizing. So if you want your abacha not to be soggy and just look professional, this is how you should soak your abacha. After washing it, just transfer it out and put in a colander. At that stage it will still look and feel very hard, but don't worry about it. Just leave it sit and just go ahead and prep your other ingredients. By the time you come back to it, it is going to become very soft. So this is the first tip in today's video. This next step that we're about to take will move this abacha to the permanent site. So in a pot, add some red palm oil. Do not bleach the oil. Once it melts or once it dissolves, which takes less than 30 seconds or maybe 30 seconds, add your chopped onions and saute for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, add in some crayfish. Here I used some giant prawns. If you have it, that's fine. If you don't, just add some crayfish and add a teaspoon of salt and fry it for about 2 minutes. After that, set it aside. This simple step takes abacha to the next level. Please do not skip it. Over here I have some dried and toasted pepper. I just toasted this pepper in a pan and I then roughly grind it with my rolling pin. You can also use a coffee grinder just to roughly grind the pepper. Now back to our abacha. This abacha has been sitting down for about 5 to 7 minutes and as you can see it has become very soft. To make the abacha, dissolve your akanwu or ungo in water, let it settle down, then sieve only the water and add palm oil, then mix it together until it curdles or until it turns orange. Now after mixing the base, which is our oil and our akanwu or ungo, whichever one you used, I added ogiri, I added the ground toasted pepper, I added a tablespoon of ground crayfish, some ehuru powder, salt and no seasoning powder. Please check out my description box for the full list of all the ingredients used in this video. Then I added more water just to make the sauce lighter. Then I mixed everything until they were all well incorporated. Then at this point I poured in our fried crayfish and onions. I mixed it together and then I started adding the abacha. If you have ever watched or seen an oldie make abacha before, you know that they don't let any of this sauce go to waste. So please try and follow the same pattern, okay? Try and take out all the ones left in your pan and your spatula. Don't let them go to waste. Then go ahead and add the abacha. If you suspect that the sauce you have will not be enough for all the abacha that you softened, then add the abacha gradually, and when you feel that it is enough, then you stop adding. But for mine, I already know that the sauce will be enough for the abacha. That's why I went ahead to just add everything at the same time before mixing. Then go ahead and mix with your palm, okay? Mix with your hands. The process of making abacha in Igbo is called egwo abacha, and egwo means turning. So this abacha requires lots of turning, and you don't need to do this with a spatula. You can do that with your hands. Just wash your hands and give it a very good mix and turn, and that is basically it. Abacha can be paired with fish or with momo, also called kanda or cow skin, and oba. I have a recipe for that already on this channel. Please check it out. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this abacha video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please comment in the comment section, like and share the video, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.